What is up, my fellow curly hair people? Yeah, I woke up like this.
I woke up like this.
It's a mess. Moving on, I decided to make another curly hair routine video, and in this one, I'm gonna give you a full out visual of me combing the conditioner through my hair, what product I use, what combs I use. I'm just gonna show you all of it today.
All right.
I'm gonna start off by showing you the stuff that I use. You're only supposed to really shampoo your hair like twice a week. Don't go like months without shampooing, like don't be pasty. But you're not supposed to like shampoo your hair all the time because it's gonna dry it out. You're supposed to condition your hair every day. I condition my hair twice a day because that's just what happens. This is the conditioner that I use. It's Shea Moisture. It's really good. You feel like you're using a lot because it only dispenses like a little bit, but no, like it actually will last a long time. It's not even halfway done and I'd be drenching my hair in this. You could find it at like, well, I got it at Walmart. Pretty sure everywhere has Walmart. I just got this really cool comb and I like this comb. Okay, so it's not like a normal comb. It looks kind of like goofy. I'm sorry. Okay, I don't know. It just does the job better. I can't tell you why. I just saw it and I was like, I need to have this comb for my hair. I don't know exactly why it's made like this, but it just helps.
It just helps.
Okay, and the thing that I use out of the shower once in a while, I usually like to go products free after conditioner because I don't like really the feeling most products give in my hair. But if I do put product in it, I put like this in it. It's oil. You could find this on their Moroccan oil website. It's kind of pricey, but it's not that bad because you're not gonna have to buy it consistently like conditioner and shampoo. That just doesn't really make like my hair like crinkly. And another thing that I use once in a while is Moroccan oil this. It's Moroccan oil again. It's pretty good. It definitely curls up your hair. It's supposed to define and separate your curls, and it actually does that. It just makes your hair a little bit more like crinkly when you touch it, and I don't really like that. I like it like touchable, so it's not like a cactus, you know? A product that I'm gonna tell you not to get, that a million curly hair YouTubers tell you to get, which I don't understand why, is this shit. Don't ever buy this, like Cantu. It's so bad. It's awful. I'm just gonna put this as the thumbnail. Look. I held my eyes open for way too long. This makes your hair so crinkly. White stuff is coming out of your hair. You can't touch your hair without like white flakes coming out of it. I don't even know what's in this shea butter for natural hair. This is not natural. It's like you're putting glue in your hair. It's so bad. Unless you want glue hair. If you want to be looking like a glue stick, sure. Anyway, I'm gonna show you everything today, okay? You're gonna see me drench my hair in the shower, and then I'm gonna come out here with my hair drenched, and I'm going to comb through my hair with the conditioner. I'm gonna make a mess, but it's for you guys. So just take your little handy dandy conditioner. Okay, so now you're gonna put the conditioner in your hair. Make sure you get the middle of your hair. Now you're gonna take your comb, whichever comb you have, just make sure you don't use a brush, and you're going to comb the conditioner through. Make sure you don't pull through your knots because you don't want to break your hair. Just be as delicate as you can. And if it's still hard to comb through, just add more conditioner. Where I go from here is I shake out my hair and then I'm going to get the middle of it and I'm gonna comb it in the style that I wanted to wear it. Shake it out like that. You comb it in the direction that you want to style your hair now. So for me, I'm gonna be combing it down all the way around. Okay, once you have Bieber hair, what you're going to do is wash out the conditioner. Just make sure, again, like I was saying though, you have the center combed through because you don't want the center to be frizzy. Okay, and now we're gonna wash it out. You can stop combing it now. Don't comb through it when you're washing it out, okay? Okay, so once you shake out your hair, it's gonna look like this. It's gonna go in the direction that we were combing it before. So make sure you put each curl in its direction. You don't want one to dry weird and it just messes up your whole hair. If you want to put products in it, now is the time where you would put the products in it. You could damp the towel on it if it's too wet for you, but I like to leave it more wet because I find that the curls form better. I'm not using any products today though because I just don't want to. I want it to be more of a loose feel. Okay, so I'm gonna come back once my hair is fully dry. This is the end result. It's about fully dry. See, like it's more like loose. It's not like sticky or anything like that because I didn't put any products in it. But if I were to suggest products, I would use Moroccan oil. I wouldn't use Cantu because it's cheap and it feels like glue. Thanks for watching the video. Please comment video suggestions, any feedback, anything like that. Please subscribe. Thanks. Catch you in the next video.